It's good to see everyone here getting weighed and getting real world scenarios on their setups. Just finished up here at the VANSafe Road Ready Rally. Good event put on by Caravan in Queensland.
We came here to get an idea of weights and distribution, because apparently that can make quite a big difference with how safe you are on the road and whether you're bouncing around and whether or not you can stop safely.
They've covered a wide range of things in their actual knowledge and explain things actually in layman's terms. People here in vans that are 20, 30-year-old but are still learning and getting the best out of their actual product.
The catering's actually been really, really good, better than I anticipated. It's been really good. And the people that have been doing the catering have got a great sense of humour as well, so they've been really approachable and happy to have a chat.
I've been summoned here for Queensland Caravanning VANSafe Rally to cook for everyone this weekend. Started off last night doing some nibble platters for everybody, some gooey cheese over the fire and some sourdough bread. And then today we've been doing an all-day cook behind us here. 2 whole sardo lambs on the live fire.
You get to meet fellow travellers that maybe have done things or been to places or can offer you advice as well. But you also get to meet experts, which to me is what it's all about.
Yeah, no expense has been spared. They've flown the right people in to talk to people up here in North Queensland to ensure that the road's safer and we've got a better understanding.
Yeah, I reckon anyone new to caravanning, or if you've just recently purchased a new tow vehicle, or just to get your weights, know how to pack it, know all your legality stuff with it all, and just get a bit more confidence towing on the road, I think.